Alright, hello YouTube and welcome to my unboxing of the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase for the Galaxy S21. So down here we can see it says Supcase, just in the website. It's just like a authentication sticker. Some drop protection. It says mil standard. I don't really know what these mean, but all I know is that people in the military have said it basically does not mean much. But I can reassure you, I've had this case on my Galaxy S10 for about 2 years and it had no issues in terms of durability. So I can vouch for this case. Anyway, looking at the side, there's nothing except just saying it's recyclable, which is good because who's going to keep this box? Just toss it out. Nothing's really going to happen. On this side, nothing. On the bottom, nothing. Top, nothing. And on the back, up here we have just a notice saying please use an original Samsung wireless charger. I'll be honest though, it doesn't really matter much if you do or don't. So yeah, just keep in mind that one disadvantage of this case is you can't really use reverse wireless charging like the power share, like where you have for example where you have your phone your earbuds wireless charging on here. Well, imagine it, instead of the earbuds is another phone with this fake case on here, and if you have another phone with a case on top of it, two phones with cases on top, it's not going to work. So keep that in mind when using this product. And down here it just says the color name and a little preview of the color. And now I'm going to unbox it. It should be fairly straightforward to unbox. Pulling it out. Nothing else in there. And we have the case. And down here we have it just says it does not come with a screen protector. Main reason is, depending on the region you live in, the S21 already comes with a screen protector on it. Unfortunately, if you live in the US, you will not get that. So that kind of sucks, but for us here in Canada, we do. And we're going to take this foam piece off, and here's the case. And it comes with this neat belt buckle thing, which, you know, some people like to use it. They're like working construction. You can just put this on your belt. It's very heavy duty and has 360 rotation and some little foam, well, not foam, but some textured material on it. But this is the main reason we are here. And here's the Unicorn Beetle Pro, not Unicorn. Wait, it is Unicorn. Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Galaxy S21. And I'm going to install this on my phone quickly. One thing I forgot to mention is there's a sticker down here on the bottom bezel that says to remove this front frame from the back case. It's pretty straightforward, and the rest of the installation is simply putting this frame on the front of the phone and putting this on the back of the phone, which I'll do in a second. So it seems to me that this case is smaller than was lighter than the one that my S10 had. Huh, interesting. You know, the phone itself is heavier. But anyway, so why should you get this case? Well, first of all, it offers, 360 protection everywhere, and has a nice raised chin. So basically, with this case, nothing's gonna happen to your phone, like at all. And another reason is the kickstand. You got this kickstand, so you can watch content horizontally like this, or vertically like that. So yeah, and also has the belt clip, and it's much cheaper than like an OtterBox Defender or Commuter even. And yes, it's a pretty awesome case, and that's about it.